Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to add friends in Knives Out. To add friends in Knives Out, first of all, open the Knives Out game on your device and from the home page, tap on the two human icon at the top of the screen. Now you will be able to see this Friends tab. Simply go to the Find Friends button on the left hand side menu and then you can go ahead and search for the username or player ID of the person you are trying to add. You can also filter search from the same city, online during options. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter a name in the search by text box. After typing down the name, click on search and then you will be able to search for the person from the Find Friends tab. You can also find fellow players nearby by turning on your GPS from the players nearby category. After finding the player in the search result, simply go ahead and tap on the little plus button with a human icon in it right next to the player, and you can then tap on send application, and that way you will be able to send the friend request to the person. Wait for your friend to accept the request, and once accepted, your friend will appear in your friend list. And that's how you can easily add friends in Knives Out. Now you're ready to squad up and dominate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.